Ever catch yourself scrolling through TikTok, watching creators show off the latest gadgets or try on new outfits and wonder if they're actually making money? Here's the secret. They totally are. And guess what? You can jump in and do it too. These creators aren't just having fun, they're cashing in on their hobbies, all from the comfort of their own homes. Making money online has never been easier. Forget about needing fancy equipment, a massive following, or a business background to get started. All it takes is your phone, a bit of creativity, and the courage to try something new. With just a few clicks, you can turn your TikTok habit into a legit side hustle. Side hustles are everywhere right now, especially for millennials and Gen Z. They're a flexible way to earn extra money, pay off bills, or even chase your biggest goals without quitting your main job. TikTok is the perfect place to start. With its huge audience and smart algorithm, you don't need to be a tech whiz or a famous influencer to get noticed. That's where the TikTok Shop affiliate program comes in. It lets you earn money by recommending products you actually like. No need to buy stock, ship anything, or handle customer questions. Your main task? Make fun, honest videos sharing your real thoughts and experiences. The more genuine you are, the more people will trust what you say. When someone buys through your special link, you get a commission. It's a win for everyone. You help people find cool stuff, sellers get more sales, and you earn for your influence. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to get started and succeed as a TikTok Shop affiliate, even if you're brand new. From setting up your affiliate account to making videos that blow up, you'll get a simple, step-by-step plan. No confusion, just real tips you can use. Ready to turn your TikTok time into real cash and launch your own online side hustle? Let's get started and unlock your earning power together. The TikTok Shop affiliate program is simple. You recommend products, make videos, and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. Think of yourself as a friendly shopping guide. No need to handle inventory, shipping, or customer service. Your focus is on creating authentic, entertaining content that people enjoy. When you join, you get access to a huge marketplace of products in categories like beauty, tech, and fashion. Pick products that fit your style, and TikTok gives you a unique link to track sales. Add the link to your video, and viewers can shop directly from your post. Sellers reach more buyers, buyers discover new products, and you get paid for your influence. It's a win-win-win. You monetize your creativity, sellers grow, and viewers shop smarter. All you need is your phone, your personality, and a willingness to share what you love. No business headaches, just content creation and connection. That's the power of TikTok Shop affiliate. Ready to join the world of TikTok creators and start earning through affiliate marketing? Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, make sure you meet the basic requirements. You'll need to be at least 18 years old, and most creators are expected to have around 5,000 followers or more, along with an active, regularly updated account. Not quite there yet? Don't worry. Keep posting creative, engaging content. TikTok's algorithm rewards consistency, and growth can happen surprisingly fast if you stay active and interact with your audience. Once you're eligible, open the TikTok app, head to your profile, tap the menu in the top right corner, and select Creator Tools from the list of options. Look for the TikTok Shop for Creator option. If it's available, tap it and follow the on-screen prompts to start your application. Carefully review the terms and conditions, then tap Agree to officially join the program. You're now ready to explore new opportunities. Next, dive into the product marketplace. Here, you can browse a wide variety of items that might fit your content and audience. Use filters to sort by category, commission rate, or price to find the best products for your niche. Don't hesitate to request free samples. Testing products firsthand helps you give honest, informed recommendations to your followers. Choose products you genuinely love and that naturally fit your content style. Your authenticity will make your recommendations more powerful. For example, if you're passionate about cooking, focus on kitchen gadgets and tools that you actually use and enjoy. If beauty is your thing, try out makeup or skincare products and share your honest experiences with your audience. Remember, your followers are here for your unique perspective and personality. Stay true to your brand and let your individuality shine through in every recommendation. When you're genuinely excited about a product, your enthusiasm is contagious, and your audience will notice. Honest, thoughtful recommendations help you build trust, with your followers, which is the foundation for long-term success and increased sales. And that's how you set yourself up for affiliate success on TikTok, by being authentic, strategic, and always putting your audience first. Got your product? Great, now let's turn it into a video that not only grabs attention but also inspires action. It's time to make a video that truly stands out in a crowded feed. Preparation is key. Think about your message and how you want viewers to feel. Show the product in action. Don't just talk about it, actually use it. Make a smoothie, try on the dress, or test the gadget right on camera. Let viewers see real results and genuine reactions. Let your personality shine and have fun. Your energy is contagious. When you're enjoying yourself, your audience will too. Don't be afraid to show your quirks or sense of humor. Be honest. Share both the pros and cons. Authenticity builds trust. Tell a story. Instead of just listing features, connect with your audience by sharing your personal experience. Show how the product solved a real problem for you. People relate to stories about overcoming challenges or fixing everyday issues. For example, I thought my favorite shirt was ruined, but this stain remover saved it. Watch this. Demonstrate the transformation step by step so viewers can see the difference for themselves. Use trending sounds or music to boost your reach and make your video feel current. The right audio can make your content more engaging and shareable. Add clear text overlays for key points. Highlight important information so viewers can follow along even without sound. Keep videos short. 15 to 60 seconds is ideal. Short, punchy videos hold attention and are more likely to be watched all the way through. Start with a strong hook in the first 3 seconds to grab attention. Ask a question, make a bold statement, or show something unexpected right away. Try lines like, "TikTok made me buy it. Here's my honest review." This instantly tells viewers what to expect and piques their curiosity. Make your video visually appealing and easy to follow. Good lighting, clear visuals, and tidy backgrounds make a big difference in how professional your video looks. Remember, people want real opinions, not ads. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and sharing genuine feedback. The more relatable and entertaining your video, the more likely viewers are to share it and remember your message. The more engaging your content, the more likely it is to convert viewers into buyers. Watch your engagement and sales grow as you connect authentically. Focus on value, not just sales. Show how your product improves lives or solves problems, and viewers will be more likely to trust your recommendation. That's how you create content that truly connects and sells. Keep it real, keep it fun, and watch your influence grow. Great video? Now make it shoppable. On the posting screen, tap Add Link, select Product, and choose the item you featured. A shopping cart icon appears on your video. Viewers can buy with one tap. Always disclose your affiliate link. Use hashtags like #ad or #affiliate and mention it in your caption or video. Transparency builds trust and keeps you within TikTok's rules. Never hide your links or mislead viewers. Be clear and helpful. Only link to the exact product you reviewed. Accuracy matters. Double-check your link before posting to avoid confusion or lost commissions. The easier you make it for viewers to shop, the more likely you are to earn. Follow these steps for a smooth, successful affiliate experience. Simple, honest, and direct. That's the way to win. Let your content and your links work together. Making a great video is just the start. You need people to see it. Use trending and relevant hashtags to help TikTok's algorithm find your audience. Mix broad tags like #TikTokShop with niche and product-specific ones. Jump on trends. Use popular sounds, formats, or challenges to boost visibility. Adapt trends to fit your product and style for maximum impact. Post consistently, daily, or several times a week to keep your account active and favored by the algorithm. Mix affiliate videos with other content your audience loves, like tutorials or vlogs. Engage with your viewers, reply to comments, answer questions, and start conversations. Ask questions in your videos to encourage interaction. The more engagement, the better your reach and your sales. Consistency and community are your secret weapons. Watch out for these common mistakes. Don't be too salesy. Focus on sharing value, not pushing products. Avoid promoting random items just for high commissions. Stick to your niche and what your audience expects. Only recommend products you've tried and genuinely like. Authenticity is everything. Always follow TikTok's rules. Disclose affiliate links and label your content clearly. Ignoring guidelines can get your videos removed or your account suspended. Don't get discouraged if your first videos don't go viral. Success takes time. Analyze your results, learn from each post, and keep experimenting. Building trust and a loyal audience is a long game. Stay patient, stay honest, and keep improving. Mistakes are part of the process. Use them to get better. Protect your reputation by being transparent and consistent. That's how you build a sustainable affiliate business. You're ready to start your TikTok Shop affiliate journey. You know how to sign up, pick products, create honest videos, and add your links the right way. Use trends, smart hashtags, and consistent posting to grow your reach. Engage with your audience and build real relationships. They're your biggest asset. Avoid common mistakes by staying authentic and following the rules. Anyone can do this. All you need is your phone, creativity, and your true self. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you go. Every video is a step closer to your goals. Take action, apply, pick a product, and make your first video today. Don't overthink it, just start. Your journey to affiliate success begins now. Good luck, you've got this.